Hey guys, Tony here from GoWithJeeves.com. In this video today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how you can start affiliate marketing online. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, give me a like and press the little bell icon to get notifications of all future posts. So let's jump straight to the video. If you're looking to get into the affiliate marketing business and you want to know how it all works, then I will give you a quick glimpse into how you can start up your new online business. Firstly, go over to a website called clickbank.com and sign up as an affiliate. Once you've signed up, go to the left-hand side of the screen where it says Affiliate Marketplace. Go to categories and choose a niche that you are most interested in or you know most about. Let's choose health and fitness for an example. Scroll down to one that you like, let's go with custom keto diet, and then click promote to get your affiliate link. You can now create a poster and put this link on your social media sites. So for more detailed information, you can sign up to a great 15-day training course. This will give you more in-depth info into the ins and outs of running an affiliate business. Just click the link down below. That will take you to my website where you can press the big yellow button. If this video has helped you out at all, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like and press that little bell icon to be notified of all future videos. For now, I'm just going to say ciao.